Okay, Olivia bought a computer on sale for $630. This was 3/5 of the original price. What was the original price? Well, this underlined part really kind of tells us exactly what to write. So we know she bought the computer for $630. Says this was, so basically $630 is equal to, because this was 3/5 of the original price. Well, what does of mean in math? It's going to mean times. So we'll do times the original price, or just x. You can put a little times x if that makes you feel better, but it's the same thing. And then we're just going to solve this. So whenever we have a fraction, we can multiply by the reciprocal. So multiply by 5/3 here, multiply by 5/3 here. Those will cancel, and so we'll end up with x equals, I'm going to use my calculator for that one, times 5/3, and we get $1050, or $1,050. So does that seem about right? 630 is 3/5 of 1050. Yeah, I think that does seem about right. So just make sure you're setting it up correctly on this one. Use the keywords to help.